This is an absolute nightmare scenario for business owners. Imagine one day you go into your Facebook account and you realize you have thousands of dollars in unauthorized charges being charged to your account. You go into your ad account and you realize there's ads running, but none of them are for your business. Someone else has actually taken over your account. They duplicated your ads, they changed where the ads are going to, and it's all on your credit card. This is happening right now, and many Facebook users are complaining about this hack that's been taking over the Facebook platform. This can happen to you. This can happen literally to anyone. The best of the best even get fooled. So I'm gonna break down in this video exactly how this hack works, step by step, and then I'm gonna show you how to spot it before it happens to you. Now, at the end of this video, I'm thinking about creating a free guide to give you guys to show you step by step what else you need to do to make sure that this doesn't happen. But watch till the end of the video and we'll take it from there. All right, so here's how it starts. It always starts with some message from Facebook, some sort of interaction. And the message always comes in different forms. Sometimes it's an email that tells you, hey, your account is about to get banned. Sometimes it says that you've got a copyright violation on one of your ads. Sometimes it says that there's some sort of suspicious activity and you need to verify your account. But they always send you something and it looks very identical to something that Facebook would typically send you. But there's one thing that all of these have in common. There is a link that they want you to click, and that link is a trap. The minute you click that link, all of a sudden, they now have access to your Facebook account. It's literally that simple. And the wild part is, you won't even realize that they now have access to your account. It's that stealthy, it's that easy for them to jump into your ad account and begin taking control. So rule number one, and this is the most important part, do not click on links and emails or messages claiming to be from Facebook, because a lot of times they're not. Now, luckily, we have students inside of our mentorship program. They always bring this stuff to us so that we can vet it and make sure that it's good before they lose thousands of dollars. But I wanna make sure that you guys do the same thing. Never click on any links. Now, what I wanna do is I wanna show you the hacker's playbook, okay? And these are 6 things that these hackers will do in order to take full control of your Facebook ad account and begin running ads, all right? So pay very close attention. Number one, now that you've clicked that link, they now have the ability to log into your Facebook account. It's literally that simple. They have your credentials now and they're in. The second thing they do is they go to your business portfolio and they add themselves as a partner. Now, for those of y'all that don't know what a partner is essentially someone who has access to your business portfolio and can now start managing ads on your behalf. And again, I want you guys to understand, they are doing this in the most easy way. So there's never gonna be any red flags here. So you have to pay very close attention. Step 3, the next thing they do now that they have access to your portfolio is they add in their Meta Pixel, the Meta Pixel that's attached to their store. That's gonna allow them to now run ads on your behalf and collect all the data from the ads that they're running. So your account is now serving their business. Now, number 4, here's the part that I want you to pay close attention to. What they do is they find a campaign that you already have running in your ad account, and then they duplicate that campaign with the same title, with the same name of that campaign, so that it looks like it's an ad that you're running. And this is the evil genius part of it all, because you have no idea, because it looks like it's an ad that you're running. So you have literally no idea. And then number 5, they do these 3 things. They change the Facebook page from your Facebook page to theirs. They add a new destination. So now they add a link that's going to their store instead of a link that's going to your destination, your landing page. So now your ad is now running to their destination and getting them all the sales and getting them all of the leads and getting them all of that good stuff, while you're left with the bill. They literally run the ad using your credit card, and then they begin to scale. Now, here's what I want you to understand. They are not going to start with a $1,000 budget immediately. They're gonna start at like $40 a day, and then they're gonna gradually increase the budget that they use. And the whole time you're sitting here like, oh, I got my campaign running. It's normal. But it is absolutely not normal, y'all. Now, here's the warning signs. Here's some things that you need to look for. The first thing is look for duplicated campaigns. If you see a campaign in your ad account that looks nearly identical to the one that you've already been running and you didn't do it, 10 times out of 10, someone has compromised your account and they are now running ads on your behalf. That's a red flag. Do not ignore it. Second, look for unusual spend. If your daily budget is suddenly being blown away and now you're spending double the amount that you typically spent and you don't recognize those charges on your card, check immediately, because if not, they will rack up a bill on your behalf. Third, check your business portfolio for unfamiliar partners. So you're gonna go to your business settings right now and look to see if there's certain people on there that have access to your account that shouldn't. If they do, remove it immediately. All right. And then number 4, check your pixels. Make sure that there is no one or no pixel that is unfamiliar that's sitting inside of your business manager. Okay. Because if there is, that's a problem, again, that needs to be addressed. If you're seeing any of these things, stop what you're doing right now and figure it out. Get them off of your account, okay? So now the next question that I typically get asked is, okay, what if this has happened to me? What are the steps that I do? How do I just get these people off of my account? And how do I go about proceeding with continuing to market in a safe way? So the first thing you wanna do is change your password immediately. Step 2, I want you to go into your business portfolio and kill their access. And here's the thing, even if you're not 100% sure if it's somebody you know or if you don't know them, go in there and make sure you kill their access, because worst case scenario, if it is someone that needs access to your account that you do trust, you can just re-add them later. But again, I'm trying to save you thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? Now, there's a lot more to this. There's a lot of steps to follow to ensure that you can get back to running ads effectively. So what I'm thinking about doing is creating a course that breaks this down step by step. It'll be free, and I will drop the link in the description. But in order for me to do so, I need you guys to drop a comment and let me know that this is something you want. Because again, I just decided to make this video. I had a call earlier this week and someone was dealing with that. So I decided to make the video. And if it makes sense and if this is going to be helpful to you guys, I will create a quick little course guide that you can use to ensure that this doesn't happen to you again. And for those of y'all that are struggling with this, to ensure that you can get back to running ads or having your in-house marketing team run ads for you. All right. So I might drop that link in the description. Just type course in the comments. And if I get enough of those, I will drop the link in the description, and then I'll respond to everyone who did type course in the comments, and I'll let you know that I've added that link to the description, guys, okay? I want each and every one of you guys to win. Here at RFA, that's what we do. We're a marketing mentorship company, and we train in-house marketing teams. We've worked with multi-million-dollar companies. We've helped them scale to a very high level, and we work with people who want to learn this skill set as well. So if that sounds like you, we have a couple links in the description for you to check out some of the other things that we have going on. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you found this very valuable. And with that being said, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and love.